Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to start the chapter polynomial. Okay, so this is not a new chapter. Okay, we are studying the some basic concept of this chapter from our previous classes. Okay, so there is a branch which consists this chapter polynomial. Okay, which deals or say consists this chapter polynomial, that is algebra. Okay, so algebra is a branch of mathematics which in which we study about the constant and variables. Okay, so I am writing here algebra. Okay, algebra. So it is it is a branch branch of mathematics in which we study about or say in which it is a branch of mathematics which deals with the study of constant and variables. Okay, it is a branch of mathematics which deals with which deals with the study study of constants constants and variables. Okay, constant and variables. So it is a branch of mathematics which deals with the study of constant and variables. So there is a new word or say you must have familiar with two words. Okay, so I'm revising this, that what is constant. Okay, what is constant and variables. So constant or say constants have a fixed numeric value. Okay, it have fixed or say unchanged. Okay, which never be changed, fixed numeric numeric value. Okay, value. For example you can say 1 2 4 minus 5. Okay, root 3, etc. Even you can say that all the real numbers. Okay, all the numbers real numbers consist of rational and irrational. Okay, all can be a constant number. Okay, then what is variable? What is variables? So it has these variables, its value changes at different places according to their use. Okay, not use, the value changes at different places. You can see it its value changes changes at different different places. Okay, different places. For example, a b or say all the alphabet word are variables. Okay, a b c, you can use x y z. So for example, x y z a b, okay, etc. So these are the two terms. Okay, now we are going to see the polynomial which we have to study in class 9. Okay, I think this both term is clear to you. Okay, so basically what is polynomial? Okay, what is polynomial? See, polynomial. So if you see here carefully, then it is consist of two words. First is poly and second is nomial. Okay, so first is poly. Poly means multiple. Okay, it is multiple. And nomial means terms. Okay, multiples means more than one, two. Okay, then it will be three, four. Okay, so what is terms? So terms is consist of constant and variables, you can say. Okay, which are joined with some basic, arithmetic sign. For example, plus and minus. Okay, if you have to identify that how many terms are there in any expression, then terms are connected with plus sign and minus sign, not multiplied sign and division sign. Okay, see here carefully. Okay, so the combination of multiple terms is polynomial. Okay, I'm writing here the combination of multiple terms. Okay, the combination of multiple, okay, multiple terms is called polynomial. Okay, it's called polynomial, but it is under some condition, or say one condition. Okay, and that is or say note. In a polynomial, the power of a variable should should be a whole number. Okay, see here, what is power? You know very well, exponent, that is. Okay, so in a polynomial, the power of a variable should be a whole number. For example, ax, or say 5x plus 2. Okay, see here, here the power of x is 1 and the power of 2. By using the previous chapter's concept, we will find. Okay, we can write it 2 into 1, and we know that for getting the variable, we have to find a such a way power that it will be equivalent to 1. Okay, so it will be x to the power 0. You have already seen this exponential law. Okay, so this law I am using here. So it will be again 2 into 1. So this is, we have got a variable power 0. Okay, so this is a polynomial. This can be a polynomial. This is a polynomial because here the power of, we are not focusing sorry, I am focusing on this. Okay, see, only variables power we have to see. If it will be whole number, then it will be a polynomial, and if it will be except whole number, then it will not be a polynomial. Okay, so see here, the power of this variable is 1, then this is a polynomial. Okay, then this is a polynomial. Okay, I think you have understood this condition. Okay, the power of variable should be a whole number. Okay, so now there is a standard form, okay, which can express the polynomial, which I am going to tell you. The standard form. See here, the standard form is standard form to express any polynomial. Okay, see here, a n, okay, x n plus a n minus 1 x n minus 1, okay, plus a n minus 2 x n minus 2, and so on till a 0 x 0, okay. So x 0 will be 1 and a 0 into 1 will be only a 0, okay. See here, so here a can be a real number, belongs to a real number, okay, real number. And here n, what is n, what is n? So this is here the degree, okay, here the degree, okay, it's variable x, okay. So this is the standard form of writing of polynomial, okay. It will be clear, okay, it will be cleared after, you know, if you see the next topic, in that I will clear this whole, you will understood, okay, this. So now we are going to see, next move, that is the degree, okay, degree and coefficient, okay, coefficient of a polynomial. So see here, now the degree, okay, of a polynomial, polynomial, okay. So the degree of a polynomial will be the highest power of a variable in a polynomial, will be the degree of a polynomial, okay. For example, I'm writing here 5x square plus 9x minus 2x cube plus 5, okay. So this is the polynomial. You can see the power of variable is a whole number, here 1 is a power of x, okay. So this is a polynomial. Then find the degree of a polynomial, okay. See here, what will be the degree of polynomial? The highest power, okay, highest power of the variable. See here, here variable is x. See here, x. If you notice the previously that I told you that it can be 5 into x to the power 0, okay, because we can write it 5 into 1, okay. And you know that x to the power is equal to 1, laws of exponent, okay. So it can be 5 into x to the power 0, okay. See here, the highest power of a variable is here, okay. See here, x to the power 3, this all are, you know, less than 3, okay. Here 2 1 0, and this is the highest power, this term, okay. Term, see here, the term will, you know, assign with their sign only, okay. You have to mention the sign. So see here, this will, the degree of polynomial will be 3, x to the power 3, okay. So the degree of polynomial will be 3, okay. So in this way you have to mention it. Now see the next example. Next example is that 6x to the power 4 into x to the power 5 minus 5 5x square minus 2, okay. So if you see here, it is x square, okay. So it power is 2, and here x to the power 4 into x to the power 5, then it will be multiplied. You can simplify it, okay. Bases are same, so the power will be added, 5 4 9 minus 5x square 5x square minus 2, okay. So the power of variable, highest power of variable is 9, so the degree of this polynomial will be 9, okay. So this was a small concept. Now we will see the coefficient of a polynomial, okay. What is meant by the coefficient of a polynomial? See here, coefficient of a polynomial, okay. So the constant term with which are connected with a variable in a polynomial, then that constant term will be the coefficient of a polynomial. For example, here here I am writing here 9x square minus 4x plus 5. Okay, okay. So see here 9x square minus 4x plus 5. Okay, so the coefficient of x square, okay, this is here the variable term is x square. Okay, so the the constant term here it is 9, so it is connected with x square, then it will be the coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square will be 9. Okay, this number is connected because here see here it will be plus sign. Okay, so you know that we don't need to write the plus sign. Okay, then the coefficient of this variable x, coefficient, okay, coefficient, see here it will be coefficient. Okay, coefficient of x, coefficient of x will be 4. Is this right? No, we have to write the sign also. Okay, see carefully here, it will be minus 4. Okay, now the coefficient of 5 will be, oh, it's normally a constant term. In this you can find the degree, so the degree will be 5 into x0. Okay, so x to the power 0, so the degree of 5 will be 0. You can see that. Okay, and the degree of this x square will be 9x square, will the degree of this term 9x square will be 2x square, it will be 2. So degree of x square will be 2, and degree of 5 will be 0. Okay, 0, because you know that x to the power is equal to 1. We can write 5 into 1. Okay, so I think this terms is clear to you. So I am giving you some questions, so that you could practice. Find the degree of a polynomial, degree degree and coefficient of a polynomial. Okay, polynomial of polynomials. So the first is 5x square, 5x square minus 4x plus 5. Okay, second one is 10x cube minus 5 5x plus 6x square minus 9. Okay, you have to find the degree and coefficient of this polynomial, both polynomial. Okay, so that's all about today's topic. In next class we will see the types of polynomial on the basis of degree and terms. Okay, so till that, goodbye.